The law is such a unique profession. You usually are helping people out or representing them in a very difficult time, especially in personal injury law. People are coming to you after they've been severely injured in an automobile accident or a premises liability case or a dog attack, and they have medical bills that are increasing. They may or may not have health insurance, and navigating that process can be very difficult. And obviously, the financial strain that it can have on an individual is a lot to undertake while also trying to treat for the injuries.
There's various factors people need to look into when hiring an attorney. Obviously, experience comes into play, track history of cases, and types of cases that attorney is accustomed to handling. I think availability is a huge thing in our practice. Whereas I hear stories about some attorneys not reaching out to clients, contacting them, providing them with updates, taking that personal approach to a case, I think goes a long way for someone that's been involved in a circumstance like that.
What do we do differently? And here's the big thing. We're all about the net in Gross & Schuster. Mr. Schuster and I are very fair people. We want our clients to get more than we weren't injured, you were. So we want you to walk away with more money in your pocket than the lawyers. There's only less than 1,500 board certified lawyers in the whole state of Florida. Mr. Schuster is board certified. I'm board certified as civil trial lawyers. Well, what I've learned, and I've actually taught my sons that are in the law firm about what is important in being a successful personal injury lawyer, is you have to focus. You have to focus on three different things. There's three variables, three moving parts in every personal injury case. You have to have liability, someone else at fault, not you. You have to have injuries, and you also have to have insurance coverage, which I've talked about.
The problems that people have trying to represent themselves in personal injury cases is that they don't know what they're doing, and they're going to get taken advantage of. Insurance is a business, and the goal of the insurance company is to get out of a situation as cheaply as possible. And they don't have your best interest in mind. They can't. They've got their best interest in mind. So people who try to represent themselves, first of all, they don't know the law and they can't learn it on the internet. Secondly, they don't know what their rights and their responsibilities are. Third, they don't know how to properly evaluate a case. I have many people come to me and say, the insurance company is offering me this much. Is that fair? And I have to say, well, let's look into your case. And in most circumstances, it's not fair. And the value of the case might be 10 times what they've been offered.
Well, here at Gross & Schuster, you're always going to get a one-on-one interaction with an attorney. You aren't going to speak with the case manager. You aren't going to speak with the paralegal. You'll get the opportunity to sit down and speak with your attorney face-to-face. You'll get to know your attorney. They'll get to know you. You'll develop a personal relationship, which I think is crucial to maximize your recovery in personal injury cases.